Hi everyone, this is our worksheet 2 or DAV Maths class 8, chapter 4, direct and inverse variation. The name of the chapter is direct and inverse variation. So here this is our question number 2. So firstly start this worksheet, we can discuss about the definition of inverse variation here. So the definition of inverse variation is if two quantities are related in such a way that increasing in one causes corresponding decrease in the other and vice versa, then such a variation is called an inverse variation. Means in simple it means that if one quantity is increasing and second one quantity is decreasing, then this is a case of inverse variation. It is a difference between the direct variation and the inverse variation. In direct variation, if both quantities are increasing and both quantities are decreasing, then this is a case of direct variation. Or when one quantity is increasing and second one is decreasing, then this is a case of inverse variation. So this is our question number 1, which have 3 parts. We can do only in this video. First part and second and third part are same to the first. So here our question number 1 is, in the following table A and B vary inversely, fill in the missing values. In question it is given that, we have given that this question is inversely right here. So it is a question of inverse variation. Fill in the missing values. We have to find these blanks here. I write the first blank as P and second one is Q here. We have to find the value of P and Q here. Here the formula to find the inverse variation is product of here AB is equal to constant. So I write here AB, product of AB is equal to constant here. It is different from the direct variation. In direct variation we can do the by cross multiply, but it is different from the direct variation. So we do here the 7 multiply by this 8. AB, product of AB is equal to constant here. Means AB, product of AB, 7 multiply by 8 is equal to this P multiply by 4 here. Now we have to find the value of this P. From here P is equal to this 7 multiply by 8 upon this 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 7 multiply by 2. Here 7 multiply by this 2. P is equal to 14. The value of P here is 14. Now we have to calculate the value of Q. Now write again here 7 multiply by 8 is equal to 28 multiply by Q. Now from here we have to find the value of Q. I write here Q is equal to 7 multiply by 8 upon this 28. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. This 7 cuts this 7. Here Q is equal to 2. From here I write P is equal to 14 and Q is equal to 2 here. So we fill the blanks here and calculate this question by applying the formula of inverse variation. So here the value of P is equal to 14 and the value of Q is equal to 2. Rest of 2 parts are similar to this first one. So that's all in today's video.